In this video, I will guide you on how to get Grok AI free for 3 days. First, launch open any web browser on your device and head over to grok.com, or you can launch open Grok AI app as well. Now, look at the bottom left corner and tap on the profile icon. From the menu, you want to select the option of upgrade. Now, a list of plans are going to open. Make sure you're viewing the individual plan. This is where the free trial is available. Now we want to find SuperGrok with a 3-day free trial label. Before subscribing to this, you want to check what's included in the trial. Look at the pricing after the trial ends. And also you want to look at all the features you will be getting in SuperGrok. Now click on Upgrade to SuperGrok. This will activate your 3-day free trial. You may need to add or confirm a payment method, so go ahead and select your preferred payment method. You can select credit card or Cash App as well. Once you have completed the payment method, you will be upgraded to SuperGrok. For 3 days, you can use SuperGrok for free. After 3 days, the plan automatically renews at about $30 per month. This may vary by region. Make sure that you set a reminder before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.